4 things to avoid at all costs. Number 1, worrying about things that haven't happened yet. As Seneca wisely said, excessive worry is unnecessary. Focus on the present instead of stressing over hypothetical problems that may never arise. Number 2, thinking you know everything. You don't need to have an opinion on everything or pass judgment on all you see and hear. Let go of the need to always be right. It frees your mind for growth and learning. Number 3, complaining. Marcus Aurelius wrote in Meditations, "Don't be overheard complaining, not even to yourself. Accept things as they are. By doing so, you'll find fewer reasons to grumble and more reasons to be content." Number 4, being too busy, avoid multitasking. Do one thing at a time and focus on what you can control. This helps you stay productive and aligned with your goals. Share your thoughts below. Which habit are you ready to let go of today? Let's support each other on this journey. Subscribe to Star of Wisdom for more wisdom and personal growth strategies. Like this video if it resonates with you and share it with someone who needs these.